Hello everyone. Today I will be explaining a project called Travel and Lifestyle Agent Starter, which is a full stack application with a smart one-click launcher. This project includes a backend server, a front-end interface, and a desktop launcher application that starts everything automatically using a single click. In this video, I will explain what was this project does, how the backend and front-end work together, and how the one-click launcher makes the entire process easier. The main goal of this project is to simplify running a full stack web application. Normally, developers must open multiple terminals, start backend manually, install front-end dependencies manually, and then run the front-end separately. But in this project, everything is automated with a single click. Both the backend and front-end starts automatically, and their logs appear in one window. This saves a lot of time and avoids error. This project has three main parts. First is the backend server. This controls all the data, business logics, and APIs. It runs on port 8000. Second is the front-end application. This is the user interface that runs in the browser on port 3000. Third is the desktop launcher application. This is a Python-based window that starts the backend, starts the front-end, shows real-time logs, and stops everything when needed. All three parts work together to create a smooth development experience. The backend is built using Python and runs inside a virtual environment. A virtual environment is used to keep project dependencies separate, avoid conflicts with other Python projects, and maintain clean system setups. The backend runs using an API server which allows the frontend to send requests, receive data, and perform actions like search, booking, and recommendations. Once started, it will run on the local host 8000. The frontend is created using modern JavaScript tools and runs with Node.js. Its job is to display the user interface, send user input to the backend, and show the backend responses visually. Once the frontend is running, it opens in the browser at the local host 3000. The frontend and backend stay connected throughout the session. Without the launcher, the user must create the backend environment manually, install Python dependencies, install the backend server, open another terminal, install frontend dependencies, and then start the frontend. This process is time consuming, error prone, and difficult for beginners. This is why this launcher was created. This launcher is a desktop application made using Python. It contains a start button, a stop button, and live console window. When the start button is clicked, the system checks if the backend environment exists. If not, it creates it automatically. Then it installs backend dependencies and launches the backend server. After that, it checks the front-end dependencies, installs them if needed, and starts the front-end server. All output is shown live inside the launcher window. One powerful feature of this launcher is live logging. This means all server messages, errors, and warnings, and the success confirmations are displayed continuously inside the window. This helps developers detect error quickly, monitor server activity, and understand system behavior clearly. This launcher is designed to work on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It automatically detects the operating system, the correct Python environment path, and runs everything out accordingly. This makes the application portable and platform independent. The stop button is used to safely shut down the backend server, stop the frontend server, and release all system resources. This prevents port conflicts, frozen programs, and memory issues. Everything is handled cleanly and automatically. This project is very useful for students, developers, startup teams, hackathon projects because it saves the time, removes setup confusions, prevents command errors, and simplifies full stack development. It transforms a complicated multi-step process into a single click solution. To conclude, the Travel and Lifestyle Agent Starter project is a well structured, full stack system with a strong backend, a responsive front end, and a powerful one click desktop launcher. This project demonstrates how automation can make development simple, fast, and error free. Thank you for watching.